In a hidden alcove of an ancient library, a dusty tome lay forgotten, filled with intricate patterns of crystals and the secrets they held. Long ago, a young scientist named Ilara stumbled upon this book, captivated by the notion that these geometric wonders could reveal the very fabric of life. As Ilara delved into crystallography, she discovered something astonishing. The arrangement of atoms in a crystal could mimic the very essence of nature's designs, from the spiral of a seashell to the hexagonal perfection of a snowflake. This revelation sparked a quest to create synthetic crystals that could harness energy and transform the world. With her newfound knowledge, Ilara embarked on experiments that led to the creation of keeps, tiny crystals that stored and released energy efficiently. Her breakthrough promised sustainable energy, revolutionizing how communities thrived. Ilara's journey illuminated the interconnectedness of science and nature, proving that even the smallest of wonders could lead to monumental change.